Hello guys, and welcome back to Fun with Java. Today we will continue with this topic, relational expressions. It's a quite simple topic, and let's start. So what we are looking at here, we call this as Java operators. It's what we write in the codes, but basically it got the same meaning as equal, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater or equal. These are what we normally see. We call this as mathematical symbols, but both of them have the same meaning. It's just we need to write we need to write this thing into Java operators because it's their language. The Java won't understand the mathematical symbol, they will only understand the Java operators. So next, relational expression always return a boolean value. Okay, what we mean here is I will give an example like boolean x is equal to 2 greater than 1. Yeah, so x will get a true value. If you print x, it will print true. It's only it means that simple. So now we'll carry on with sample code. Okay, so let's start with something simple. Let's get some value first. X equal to 12 and y equal to 25. Yeah, so let's start boolean test 1. Let's have x greater than y. So hopefully we'll get false, right? Yeah, test 1. Let's compile. False. Obviously, because x is 12, 12 is smaller than 25. So let's try something different. We'll get another value z equal to, let's have 30. And boolean test 2. Maybe z. Let's have smaller than x plus y. It's true, right? So we'll test it out. Test 2. Save it. True. Obviously. We'll try some other operators. Let's have maybe x is not equal to y. It's obviously true. So let's try it out. Test 3. Let's have it. Yeah. So it's a simple topic, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you. Hope you guys will continue with the other topic. Thank you very much.